Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we're back at it like an addict. No rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. First things first, happy Monday. Want to thank everybody that's been subscribing, everybody that's been liking the videos. I'm gonna get back to all you guys' comments when I get back to my computer and sit down. But yeah, we just picked up this Pontiac from Mako. They just painted the hood for me. Like I said, I wasn't worried about the bumper or nothing. I thought they was gonna touch it up, but they didn't. You know. $135 to paint the hood. You know, I just told them paint the hood, you know, because I couldn't find a matching color. So you really can't beat that. But yeah, I'm about to take this Pontiac to Jenner because like the motor mount, like it's getting cold outside. Like eventually that's what I want to do. Like is with my shop is I want to at least build a little like a bigger shed. So that's why I need to hurry up and get this box truck, they need to hurry up. Like, it's been so long with this box truck. Like, it's really crazy that it's taking so long on this box truck. So hopefully they can hurry up and fix it so I can sell it. Because I want to at least build maybe one car, like, lift, like one car garage, like type lift in the back. So I can put at least have one car in there and be able to work on one, maybe two, maybe put a 2-car with a one, maybe put like a 2-car in there, you know, maybe build like a little 2-car with like little shed back there that can fit like 2 cars and maybe like a little lift in there, you know, like that. That's what I was thinking, like, so then I could be able to work on cars and like clean cars up when it gets cold and stuff like that, you know, because when it gets cold outside, man, it's just, you don't want to work on nothing. It's getting colder and colder. Like, yeah, I have a hoodie on, but I'm not going to be out here working in the elements. Like, and then, so to put these motor mounts on, I'm going to just go ahead and take it to Jenner. Because, you know, their mechanic shop, auto shop, and like sometimes I could be going out there wrestling with it in the cold and trying to do all this and that. And like, nah, I'm not about to do that no more. Just pay like I said, I gotta get out that mindset of that being cheap is okay, but it's not always okay. You know, sometimes being cheap costs you more money in the long run, because I can be cheap and try to do it myself, and then, you know, that costs me time, and then I'll still end up having to pay the money to get it fixed. So, you know, always trying to be cheap and save a little bit of money. It's good somewhere, like in the financial state, like we don't need to like buy unnecessary stuff. But it's not always good, you know. Don't always be cheap and frugal and stuff like that when it needs to be. You know, I'm not gonna say like don't just go out there and just get put together on anything like that. You know, don't like myself, like I work on cars. My dad worked on cars for all his life. He still work on like little minor stuff if I need him to. My uncle works on cars. You know, I've been around cars my whole life, so it's like I'm not going to get ripped off or anything like that, but like if it's something that I know like I pay and the price is reasonable, then I will pay it. But if not, then I will try to figure it out, you know, if it's not reasonable. But if it's in reason, like I know places and shops, and I gotta get paid, you know, for the time and stuff like that. But if it's something that I know I can look up and I've seen it online that this person done it without the same tools as a shop, then I know you can do it with the tools in the shop. You know, that's what sometimes like auto mechanic and technicians and stuff like that, they try to like play like, I understand I'm gonna pay you for your time, but don't try to overdo it. You know, if it's only gonna take you an hour to do something, because I know it's only gonna take you an hour because you got all the equipment, and I know you gotta pay for your tools and stuff like that. That's where all the charges and stuff come up. And you know, you got the overhead and stuff like that. But still, you know, I feel like if you just get if you get the job done and you get paid for this one job, you can knock out a lot of jobs, you know, than try to make all the money like, oh, this job takes 3-4 hours and stuff like that. Because it be some stuff that I done took and got the estimate at shops and stuff, and they done told me, you know, it's gonna take 3 hours, 4 hours and stuff like that, you know. I took what was it? It was a Saturn that I had. It was a Saturn SUV, black SUV. I took it, one of the heater hoses on the back was leaking. One of the heater hoses on the back. it started leaking coolant, and we could see it. Like I literally took it to the shop, and we drove it up there because it's like a place that I take it to get the oil change. We drove it up there, and I was like, damn, where's the leaking coolant from? I seen it like dripping, but I couldn't see it. But then once he drove it up on the ramp, you know, I look at it like, okay. We both see it as a heater hose. He talking about it's gonna cost it's gonna take 2.5 hours to fix the heater hose that's plugged into the back of the thing. Like, come on, bro. Don't try to get me. Like, I'm looking at it. Like, we both looking at it. It's something that we're looking at. Like, we can see it. It's nothing that is like, it's nothing that's not that I couldn't see. Like, it's like literally we can both see. We both looking at it, and we see it's brittle and cracked up, and you can see like the coolant dripping off on. And I'm like, it's a rear heater hose. Like, it's a rear like heater hose. Like yeah, you might have to go underneath the bottom, because like me trying to just reach back there probably wouldn't work. You know, probably wouldn't work as planned. But talking about 2.5 hours, I'm like, all right, bro. All right, man. If you ain't gotta try to get over on me, like. But yeah, we about to hear it then. I'll show you this car. See, they got the hood right for me. They got that hood looking right for me. Look at that thing looking all good in there. Hood look all good, don't it now? Now that's max money on the car. After we throw these mounts on, gotta make sure we get the max of the money. Yeah, y'all see it. Detail on there. Man, really don't need a fresh spray off after these mounts get put on there. Wipe it down, clean it up, post it for that $3 grand, 30, something like that. You know, whatever. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, but I appreciate everybody for stopping in. And I would say, yeah, I need to get on my grind. I need to buy more and more cars. You know, I need to be buying at least, telling myself I need to be at least buying 3 to 4 cars a week. You know, as many cars as possible. I need to be grinding. I gotta get back to. I need to start financing them. I need to start pay here. You know, this year, coming into a new year. The grind don't stop, it just starts over again. You know, that's how I feel. You know, it's coming into a new year. The grind don't stop, it's just starting over again. But, you know, I gotta grind harder than I did this year. And then, you know, getting older, getting wiser, learning more stuff, you know, meeting new people. So, appreciate it, everybody. But, you know, if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Already up in the morning getting this taken care of. Then I'm gonna go hit the gym. Then probably go on my other channel, stream a little bit. You know, try to get as much stuff done as possible. You know, that's why I enjoy, you know, waking up early, trying to knock everything out at once. Oh yeah, then it's all fixed and ready to go. You know, it's fixed and ready. So post that one up there for about $5 grand. Give me some really quick money. So I clean that one up too. I gotta go check and see where my quarters and stuff is. All my quarters and my dollars and stuff is. Give me a couple dollars, spread off. You know. Like I said, once again, I appreciate everybody for stopping in. If you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.